about you guys, but I need to brush my teeth and do basic bathroom stuff, and Summit's right there in front of my sink. And give me a thumbs up if you just step over your dog. I stand over her and brush my teeth. I mean, it's crazy. I don't make her move. Am I weird? So I have 3 dogs, and my husband asked me the other day, or I said the other day, that Summit was my favorite. You're not supposed to have a favorite dog, but she really is my favorite, and she is the biggest pain in the ass. She's not that good of a dog. I mean, she barks all the time. She's neurotic. She whines. She's a pain. Anyway, I started thinking, why is she my favorite? Well, part of the reason is because she needs me the most. She's fearful, and so it's like my job to calm her fears. But also, the biggest thing about her is you know exactly what she wants, what she needs, because she tells you. If she wants to be petted, she's up on your lap, and she will not get off. If she wants you to throw a ball, she will stare at that ball for hours until you throw it. I mean, I have respect for that. Why aren't we as women better about saying exactly what we want? I find myself thinking a lot about dogs and life, like how dogs relate to real life and how they are the way they are and how we are the way we are. And I have 3 dogs and I love them all, but something about Summit and her determination, her wholeheartedness, like if she's afraid of something, like if there's a moose out across the way, she's gonna bark and bark and bark and let you know that she's afraid of that moose, or she's gonna get that moose or whatever. Where the other 2 run inside. Just something about her neuroticness that I love. So anyway, my goal is to aspire to be more like my dog. Number 1, to just be more happy with the simple things, like a comfortable bed to sleep in, good food, a yard to run in, and to be more determined. If there's something I want, go for it. Concentrate on it. If it's a ball, stare at that ball, and eventually I know I'm gonna get that ball. I need to be more like her and really put everything in to what I want, whatever that is. I encourage you to do the same. Whatever it is that you want, determination. So being happy, being determined, and being joyful. My dogs are always joyful. You know that if you own a dog. The minute you walk in the door, they are so happy to see you. Joyfulness in small things. Happiness in small things. The air we breathe, the breeze on your face. Anyway, I aspire to those things, and I hope you will too.